Hey everybody, on today's video we're going to put a new end on the wand for the sprayer. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so the old nozzle for the wand has become corroded and plugged up and just isn't spraying very well. Now, when I take that off, I probably will see if I can clean it up a little bit and have that for a spare. But I've got a new one here, and this is a FIMCO sprayer, brand new. And okay, so, and this is an 18 is what wrench you'll need. And you could probably use a vise, just make sure you don't squeeze it too hard. I've got the little 10-inch pipe wrench on here, is what I'm gonna use. I hit it with some penetrating catalyst, penetrating oil, the blaster, whatever you have handy. Should help loosen, and then you won't have to wrench so hard, because you want to make sure that you don't bend the main pipe coming off, if at all possible. So let's see if our penetrating oil has done its work here. Oh yeah, there we go. Almost hand loose. All right, got the old one off, and as you can see, it's got some corrosion on it and doesn't want to spray very good. Looks pretty dirty inside, but like I said, I'll probably try and clean it up later. What you can use sometimes to get the jets cleaned out are your welding tip cleaners. That'll work sometimes, not always, but sometimes it will. And then sometimes it's just too corroded and you need to replace it. So got the new one here. Let's see if it threads on. Okay, I got it hand tight now. Make sure you go the right way to tighten it. Always a bonus. And if you don't have any of the penetrating oil on your hands, that probably would make it a little bit easier too, but oh well. Yeah, my hands are greasy. there we go. Got that new one on. I did mar it just a little bit, but that won't hurt anything. So there we go, another project done. And like I said, I will try and clean that up. Because I did have one of you comment on my video with the where I changed the wiper blades on my wife's car. And I don't know, wiper blades must be this guy's thing. But anyway, he took umbrage to me replacing the whole wiper assembly rather than just the rubber piece. You know, when you live up here where you get the ice and snow, the windshield's not always cleaned off as well as you should be when you're ready to go, and you may bump it to break it free. Well, that's going to tweak that. And if you just replace the rubber, you're going to leave streaks or spots that the wiper doesn't get. And the price difference really isn't that much. And believe me, I'm very cheap. So, I mean, if I'm doing it that way, then that's, you know, probably the way that may work best up here. That doesn't mean, hey, you do you, by all means. I'm not going to tell you how to do things. I'm just telling you how I do it. So replace the wand, and again, I will see if that old one cleans up so that I'm not wasteful. But as always, thanks for watching, and take care.